I wanted the tile to bring out more of the warmth. Ooh, good morning.
Good morning.
How you feeling about this? They're all different.
They're all different. We got different colors. I mean,
Yeah, different patterns, different colors.
patterns, everything.
It's like my work pants. Like when they're their cleanest,
Day
they're
one,
still a little bit dirty, and then
day
they're-
4,
and then
day 10.
time to wash them.
Yeah.
Right.
Exactly. I feel like that's one of my best analogies, y'all.
I think that's just life imitating art. But
Whoa.
what we had was a very neutral countertop.
What's the art?
You know, it's David's work is the art.
It's true.
What we gonna do here?
We're gonna mix it at random. You hate that.
Oh man, you know I'm more symmetrical.
I know,
Random. Even on a random pattern, I'm gonna try to make sense of something.
but the beauty is always in the imperfection, which is very difficult for you, I know.
I know, right?
But I want him to take artistic license and mix them all up.
I'm gonna go out on a limb and do a random, and I'll make sense of it somehow.
Good, y'all.
Look at that kitchen. Look at this. Oh my God.
This is beautiful.
This is gorgeous.
To make this kitchen possible, we had to lose a door on that side and a door on this side,
that's right.
and then center the window.
The backsplash is fabulous.
I know. I love that.
Good.
And the fact you had little color changes here,
Yeah,
tan, light.
they're subtle.
It's subtle, but it's beautiful. Now this is something special.
So